plan is to open up Kenya. The old thinking that there is a place that is what is called low potential will no longer be there. When the rail will open up the new transport corridor through Narok, through Bomet, through Nyamira, and then Kisii and Kisumu, that will open up a new corridor of transport. Okay. We want to also, we've discussed with Kenya Railway Corporation, possibility of, Naivasha here is only 30 kilometers. If the SGR train that we use today from Nairobi terminus would end up in Naivasha, we will transport more people, maybe even 2-3 trains in a day. Then we can leave them in Naivasha and they can use now the MGR, or they can use the road transport from there. That way we avoid the congestion that we face as you approach Nairobi city. We also reduce road accidents because rail transport is safer than the road transport. If we carry most of these goods by rail, we reduce also our trucks.
As a passenger, I cannot thank Honorable Cabinet Secretary Merkelman enough for inviting me to this wonderful safari tour. I was here in this part of this beautiful nation, I should say, for dozens of times. But this is my first time to be here experiencing the SGR. So for me, my life as a passenger is getting better.